Still BG50 recoil repair. It's all broken. Let's fix it. T25. That's what you need. Let's go.
Remove recoil housing 3 T25 screws. Cut remaining cord while holding recoil. Allow recoil to retract carefully. Remove remaining cord. Measure and cut new pull cord.
And if your cord's really messed up, you're trying to find the right length, it's usually best hold it here, arm out, just go to about the center of your chest. It's about 2.5, 3 foot. That'll get you close to your pull cord height or length you need there. But don't be afraid to go a little long. You can always cut it off if you need to, but just if you're going with the same diameter rope, it's best to stick pretty close to the length. You don't want to short choke it because then you'll break it and make yourself mad when you're trying to start it.
Burn ends to prevent cord unraveling.
There, you want that to be flared out. You want that to be pretty narrow so it goes back into your wind-up mechanism here on your recoil. And the knot you use in the end of these, see how it takes up a lot of space here? It's not a standard knot, so I'll show you that.
Insert cord through pull handle. Tie pull handle knot.
What you do is you make you a regular knot like you're going to here. But before you finish it up, you come right back through. See, you've got this nice double barrel knot here. I'll show you again. You're here, you loop, and normally you'd be done with a regular knot. Nope, you're gonna come back in. Come back in right there. See how it takes up a lot of space? The more you pull on this, it pulls itself into that center knot. That's what you need inside that handle to keep that from pulling through. You can trim that if you want to, but it's best not to go ahead and don't melt this knot. That'll actually weaken it, so just leave it as it is tied. If you want to shorten that little stub up, you're more than welcome to. I usually do just because I'm kind of particular. And what I like to do, get my finger a little wet first, that way I'm ready to go. Melt this down. Don't push it into it. Kind of mushrooms it out there a little bit. Put it back down in there, nice and tight.
Insert pull cord into recoil housing.
We're going to go ahead and align this a little bit up here with the hole she's coming through, because you want this to come through here. You gotta get it to come out of this little hole.
Tie recoil knot.
Okay, now you're in through here. Go ahead and take your time. Tie you that knot. Make it as tight as you can, because it's got to get back down in that little bitty hole. Okay, now we're back down in there.
Rewind pull cord.
What we're going to do is kind of pre-wind this up in here. Just follow me. Don't go wrapping yet. Okay, you got to find out which way your spring's winding. It's this way. We're going to come around. Somewhere around there. Go ahead and hold it and pull your string out. Let it wind itself back up. Okay, we know we're still got slack out here. So I'm gonna do that again. Just keep winding a couple times. About 3. Hold it. Right there. We're back wound in. Give it a full pull.
Test recoil function and reinstall. Adjust if needed.
Okay, goes all the way out. Might have that one rung too tight, so I'm gonna go one rung out. There we go. You want that where it pulls back in all the way. When you pull out, that's beautiful, just like that. Got our knot back in here. Our knot is back in here, and we've got full travel. It pulls all the way out without locking in the mechanism or breaking the spring. And we're good to go. We'll put it back on. That's how you do it. And that's how you do it, y'all. God bless. See y'all next one.